What are we looking at? We are looking at the Sencut Actium. This is a great knife. Not quite on the level as the Civivi Brazen, but it's way up there. This is one of those top knives of 2021 so far. I really wanted to make sure I put that out there. I'll probably put it in the title. So something interesting as well that we'll get into right after you guys turn down the volume, because here comes a little bit of music. Guys, this is Crazy Russian Hacker. If you have never seen that, then you just got internet access. I really don't know how you could have ever missed a Crazy Russian Hacker video. Tons and tons of fun. Like I said, supporting channels I love. I can't afford to send monetarily, so I'm sharing some views. You guys should go check him out and just give him some views. I actually sent him one of my sea snakes. I'm hoping to one day see it in one of his videos. So, at any rate, this is the Sencut Actium. Awesome knife. I only really have one real complaint about the knife, and it's not a design, it's not a pocket clip, it's nothing, but we'll get into it. And something else that's interesting, this is definitely going to have affiliate link, because the only place I found this knife for sale was on Amazon. So we're going to definitely have an affiliate link if you want to get this knife. There will be a link to it down below. So without any further ado, guys, let's meet up at the table and take a good close look at it and look at what specs I could find about the knife.
Guys, I have called this the Imperium like 6 times trying to film this, just to give you a heads up. In case I say it again, I'm not going to refilm anything. I'm just going to leave it in and put a pop-up. So, once again, this is the Civivi, or the Sencut Actium. I almost did it again. This is the Sencut Actium. This is a 3.46 inch hollow ground D2 blade that's a clip point fashion. It's done in a satin, and I carried this knife. It was a dream to carry. I didn't mind the pocket clip too much. I think I talk about it in the Elementum video that I didn't mind the pocket clip. This pocket clip actually a little bit of a hot spot, but not horrible. The Elementum, actually, the Civivi Elementum, I had zero problems with the pocket clip, even though it was a tall, deep carry pocket clip. But these are the typical Civivi Sencut pocket clips you're going to see. So overall length on this is 7.99. So now that's about all the specs I got, except that these are G10 stainless steel liners, and it runs on cage ceramic bearings. So the other specs, we're just going to have to get them ourselves here. We talk about weight and blade stock thickness, because I really didn't see anything listed, because like I said, Amazon was the only place that had this for sale. But that definitely means there's going to be an affiliate link for this. Great knife though. So let's go ahead and get some weight. So in ounces, you're looking at 3 7/8 ounces. Not bad. Let's see what it is in grams. And then we'll get some blade stock thickness. All right, there we go. So 110, 111 grams. Not bad at all. So as far as blade stock thickness, let's turn this on and make sure it's zeroed. It is all zeroed out. Blade stock thickness on this, not bad. It's I would imagine they probably have it listed as 0.12. They usually round it up, but it's a 165, 17, or I'm sorry, 0.1165, 1167 or 117-ish. Not thick blade stock at all. Done in a really good hollow. Let's go ahead and take a look at behind the edge thickness. I believe I forgot to do that with the Elementum earlier. Behind the edge blade stock thickness, 0.0185 is what it looks like to me. 0.0155, not real bad. It's fairly thin, but like I said, that is a nice hollow. So that's the specs we've got to go with. I think I mentioned it's like 7.99 inches overall, just shy of 8 inches. So let's go ahead and talk about this. This knife is very attractive. First of all, it is an attractive knife. The action on it is great. Super smooth. Thumb stud, flipper tab, real comfortable. Just the right amount of jimping on the flipper tab. If you were to look, it's not super aggressive. It's just about the right amount, and it's in the right places. So if you like the push button, you can get on it. If you like the light switch, you can get on it. and nothing in the wrong places. You don't need jimping up in here. Little bit of jimping on the lock bar relief here, and it's just done just right, so it's easy to get on it, but it's not aggressive. I've had knives that come in that I actually took and I put these on the Scotch-Brite wheel to knock the points off of them. Nice thumb ramp with some jimping. It is a little far forward, but if you're really cutting on something, you can kind of get on it with the back of your hand as opposed to your thumb, and so you can kind of get in it and push down and get a little bit of extra, you know, leverage on that. Nice shaped handle. No real hot spots to speak of. The pocket clip, not as comfortable as a couple other knives that I've had with that same style pocket clip, but it's pretty solid. There's not much play in this knife. So when you go to flip the action, you don't feel that pocket clip moving around in your hand so much. So yeah, this thing cuts really, really well, guys. There's only one thing that I have to point out about this knife, and it's the steel choice without a coating. Now, they do have coated ones, but you can see there's a little bit of rust. I dropped or dripped something on this while I was using this knife, and it has patinaed a little circle there on it. Most of it can wipe off, but that's one of those things that you're gonna see with D2. It does have a tendency to rust and patina. If I was to buy this knife for myself, I would get one of the coated versions because they are nice. This thing spent a lot of time in my pocket. D2 takes a really, really good edge. This has got a really, really aggressive edge to it. I should have cleaned it up before we actually shot the video, but it held good. I did a lot of cutting with it. I cut a lot of cardboard. We still have a lot of cardboard left over from the move. So it cuts really well. Like I said, not too thick blade stock, comes down to a hollow. It is thicker behind the edge than the Elementum was. I don't remember if I measured the behind the edge thickness, but just by feel, I'm gonna say that the behind the edge thickness is a little bit thicker than Elementum. That did cut really well. So, like I said, overall attractive package. Burgundy G10 with black hardware, can't go wrong with that. And I like the fact that now, basically Civivi has become the mid-range brand for WE. So you have WE knives, which is their higher end stuff, and then you have Civivi, which is a mid-range, and then this is their like Civivi's budget line, which is now Sencut. So you've got 3 different brands totally in one parent company. So guys, like I said, I'm definitely dropping an affiliate link for this knife down below. So with that being said, I got really nothing else on this. Just a great knife, way up there. It's in my top 5 for this year. Just did not quite beat the Brazen. I enjoyed the Brazen, the steel and everything. Just put it over the top. And so this not quite as good in my opinion as the Brazen or the Riffle or the Cryo. But yeah, it's definitely up there for some of the best knives that have come out so far in 2021, or that I've gotten to review in 2021. So let's meet up and do some final thoughts, and I'll give you a price.
Guys, like I said, everything about this knife was pretty much just pretty great. The whole experience, I enjoyed carrying it. So if you guys knew, I've been carrying this for a while, so I kind of enjoyed carrying it. But I do need to get this done and sent back off to Jared. It is a great knife. The only contention, like I said before, the only problem I really have with it, I would have liked to have gotten, and I hope I mentioned it before, I can't remember if I did. Sometimes these outros get shot after and there's some time delay. D2 is a great steel, but it does have a tendency to patina. I think I pointed out there's a little spot on this from carrying and using it. Other than that, I mean, if you keep it oiled, D2 is great. If you coat it, it's even better. And they have some coated models, so that would be the direction I would go. But yeah, just a great, nice knife, great, a dream to carry. Really no issues to speak of with the knife. I just like the Civivi Brazen a little bit better still. That's as for right now, Civivi Brazen is still my pick for knife of the year. So guys, if you like the videos, give them a thumbs up. If you don't like them, give them a thumbs down, but please try to tell me why. If you want to support the channel, you can simply share the videos. And if you want to go further, there are monetary ways to support the channel. Guys, pardon that interruption. I pushed the button by accident. So like I was saying, if you want to support the channel monetarily, there are links down below where you can get into the membership where you can get exclusive content, early access to all the videos, exclusive giveaways, things like that. Then there is also, there's what they call super likes. If you like a specific video, you can give money. But like I said, if you just want to share the videos, that's fine. Affiliate links. There's going to be an affiliate link for this knife. There's going to be an affiliate link for both the knives I'm doing giveaways for this month, the month of August. Don't forget, I'm giving away a knife to all subscribers. All you have to do is go enter by dropping a comment in that video if you haven't already seen the August giveaway for this month. Did I say July? August? It doesn't matter. It's August. The August giveaway video. So guys, I love you all. Keep it clean in the comments section below. If you need something, any of the tools, any of the stuff I need, or if you're just buying stuff on Amazon, use one of my affiliate links because I get credit for it. It helps support the channel. I love you all. Take it easy, and I will see you in the next video. And don't forget to follow the stuff in the corners. I always forget to tell you guys that. Take it easy. If it's your birthday, happy birthday.